Hello and welcome to the second episode of Mumbai se Manchester. Today we'll be looking at the current Man United squad and assessing the areas where we need to improve on.
Nice.
We have our usual suspects Saurabh and Nikhil. So let's get started. Let's get right into it and look at our current squad.
हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट गुलाम जैसे प्रेजेंटेशन स्क्रीन शेयर पे करने वाले हैं नीरज if you can allow me to share screens.
Oops.
Okay. For every one of you who goes to office and you who's sick of seeing slides every day, आज हम लोग के पास बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्लाइड है तुम्हारे लिए. All right. So I'll walk you through the structure of this and we'll quickly get started. So यहाँ पे अपना पूरा squad members है on the right hand side. This is our entire player roster. What we are going to do very quickly is we are going to discuss one player at a time, and either we are going to agree on them being a first team player or maybe put them on the bench, which is they're good enough to be in the first team but not quite there yet, or they are just squad players. And I'm pretty sure there'll be some players who will be left here on the right hand side unko basically bechna chahiye ya loan out ya whatever, but they are not ready for or good enough to be in the squad for next season. Okay, so let's start with the obvious. Rashford को डालना है लेफ्ट विंग पे.
Agree.
डिस्कस भी करने की जरूरत है.
डिस्कस करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
परफेक्ट. मार्शल
सेंटर फॉरवर्ड
everyone agrees. Now there is a train of thought that we need a striker to improve on Martial. Anyone thinks Martial should be on the right hand side in first team quality and not in the first team?
Given his season, I think he deserves a place in the first team now.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I agree. Greenwood, this is interesting. Greenwood played in our starting lineup, played really well, but is he a right winger? Should he be in the striker position on the left hand side, maybe even as a number 10 or first team quality? What do you guys think?
Happy?
I think we should keep him under first team quality. I think we should go for a proper right winger. We should go all out to get a player who will give us probably 10 goals or 15 goals and maybe like 8 or 10 assists.
Jo diya na Greenwood, 8 or 10 goals. More than that. Assist nahi diya, but
assist nahi diya.
Or I get your point.
And I think I feel striker के case में Martial के लिए वो बहुत अच्छा competition है. He can play two different positions, striker and right winger. But मुझे लगता है specialist position, the way Ole looks at him and a lot of people are talking about him, he looks like a proper striker.
Neeraj, you agree with this? First team quality में रहना चाहिए?
I agree with that. He should be first team quality and not in the first team. And he could even be, given how young he is, he can even be used like how Messi was used when he was a teenager, playing as a false number 9 and coming from the bench and changing games and have an established right winger.
ठीक है. I think we all agree that I mean worst case, and I don't want to talk about Sancho in this podcast, but worst case अगर Sancho नहीं sign करते तो we know that he can fill in that role, or he can potentially fill in Martial's role. But for now we are going to put him on the first team quality. ठीक है?
Yep.
I know इस पे थोड़ा debate होने वाला है. Daniel James.
Neeraj?
Daniel James, I would say squad player.
I would agree.
He showed really good signs. He can improve a lot and fight for the first team place. But right now, I think he's more of a squad player and has a lot of potential to make it in the first team, definitely.
Happy?
Yeah, I agree. He is a squad player currently. He can grow into a first team quality player, someone who we can rely on going into the future.
And this was easier than I thought it would be. मुझे लगा happy debate करेगा he's first team quality.
नहीं, last time मैं इसका बात कर रहा था. The way Solskjaer might be pursuing, I don't at the moment.
Solskjaer definitely showed that he doesn't trust him so much when it comes to scoring goals and creating more chances.
Exactly, scoring goals is the key thing here. I think he trusts him in the big games when he needs a hard worker, but he doesn't trust him when we are 2 goals down and we need to score. So for that reason, I'll put him in the squad player. And this is not being disrespectful. I think Park Ji-sung, John O'Shea, Darren Fletcher, Wes Brown, सब लोग amazing squad players थे. You could throw them in first team to fill in that 8th, 9th, 10th position, 11th position when you had 7, 8 good players starting around them. But they are not the first name on the team sheet. Okay. Igalo, we know he's there only till January. Firstly, what do you think about that? Igalo का contract extend करना चाहिए था क्या? Should we have just bought him out instead of loaning him until January? January मतलब सितंबर से लेके जनवरी तक 3 महीने में वो क्या करने वाला है? What do you guys think?
I don't mind extending his loan, or given how inexpensive he will be, he adds a different quality to the striker position. So I don't mind having him in the team.
Yeah, I would agree as well. He can be a squad player, but I don't care as much if we sell him or let him go. Not sell, let him go after the loan.
Yeah, depends who the other options are.
Right.
And I don't think you're very good in the market in getting players. So
मेरा सिर्फ एक concern है कि we might not sign a backup before we let him go. And जैसे अपने को there were 2 halves to this season, 2019-2020. The first half में we lacked squad depth, and then we added to the squad in the second half. It might work the other way around कि हम लोग summer में add करेंगे अभी 1-2, and then January में we might be at the top and we might lose players. Igalo जा सकता है. If COVID ends, Pogba to Madrid rumors might be back, and we might actually lose players midway through the season. So hopefully this does not impact us. Hopefully end of the season तक extend करता है, and maybe next summer we go big for a striker. But I agree, a squad player good to have.
Right.
Juan Mata. Juan Mata, where does he fit?
Squad player.
Squad player. There are rumors कि वो Turkey जाएगा या he wants to go. Would you let him go or would you keep him?
I
would be okay to let.
Given that we have a lot of given that we have a lot of young players, I wouldn't mind having him in the team just so that the young players get experience from him.
Yeah, I agree. We need squad depth next season. We need to challenge for semi-finals से finals trophies तक पहुंचना है. We'll need that squad depth. We should be playing more games next season. ये तो मैं discuss भी नहीं करने वाला हूँ.
Yeah. About Mata, just a quick comment. I would be okay to actually let him go, but then get a younger attacking midfielder who will be quick, who has similar vision to what Mata had when he was at Chelsea. उसमें मजा आएगा. Like if he really wants to go, yeah, we shouldn't hold him back.
I agree, but मुझे लगता है कि already there are so many pressing needs in the squad. I think replacing Mata and getting someone young and exciting might be something for next summer. Similar to Igalo, getting a striker might compete for the striker position.
Right. But if he leaves, you will have to backfill, right?
I agree. I haven't even discussed this. Bruno
True, no.
No
Make him
point.
the captain.
Lingard, this is debatable.
Yeah, let's
What do you
keep
guys
Lingard for later. Let's put in Pogba and Matic in first.
Okay. Pogba goes right in. There is a call for Fred being in a position next to Matic. Any doubts? यहाँ पे? Who should be our first teamer? Yeah, even McTominay. McTominay and Fred had a great run last season when they were playing together with each other. But for some reason, they did not fit well with Pogba.
Happy, go on.
No, I like the combination of Pogba and Matic. I feel Fred and McTominay still are developing. So उनको first team quality में डालना would be much more like sensible in this case.
मेरे लिए bench पे दोनों Fred और McTominay.
But bench मतलब as a squad player or a first team player?
First team player.
Happy?
Yeah. Both.
I agree
Fred
as
and
well.
McTominay and under first team quality.
I think midfield में last season when we were struggling, I think they proved that when playing together they can play against the biggest teams. They need someone creative in front of them, but they are first teamers. We'll come back to these four players later because thoda we need to think long and hard for this. Brandon Williams, what do you guys think?
Still
currently, young. Yeah.
He's still young and a good option for to be on the bench. From what he has shown, I think he can get rough and he doesn't mind making tackles, but he still needs to improve to be first team quality.
Happy?
मुझे लगता है कि he is somewhere between first team quality and squad player. The amount of games he played suddenly coming from under 23s, under 19s actually, he played very well. The only downside is he's a right-footed player playing in a left back position. But you can also call it as an advantage. You can use him as a backup for Wan-Bissaka. Right? So I feel he's currently in between. I won't completely put him as a squad player.
There is an interesting thing, and thoda deviate कर रहा हूँ मैं, but there was a pattern last season, especially in the last 8 to 10 games, where Brandon Williams, when he was making forward runs, वो ऐसे underlap कर रहा था, अंदर जा रहा था, and Rashford was almost cutting back and playing somewhere here, right? और यहाँ से he was trying to play the ball over the top to the far post ऐसे. This was the typical interchange मतलब attacking play between Williams. ऐसे start करते थे वो लोग. Rashford के पास ball आता था, Williams underlap करता था, and Rashford फिर पीछे आके lob करने को try करता था when there was no one there. Maybe he thinks के Solskjaer thinks के Martial and Greenwood are in the box, two strikers in the box, and Rashford can be that playmaker, and Bruno can take the balls dropping at the edge of the box and shoot. But I don't know what that dynamic was. I'm hoping that will start seeing results because ऐसा लग रहा था कि that's something that they were working on the training ground. It hasn't worked yet, but maybe it will. तो Williams को किधर डालना है? यहाँ पे तो we all agree कि maybe he is not ready yet.
He's not ready for the first team.
Yeah.
And although he's good, he might be somewhere here.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
He'll be on the bench for sure. Yeah.
So would it make sense to put him in under first team quality in that case? अगर वो bench पे रहने वाला है, that means you're counting him under those 16 players, right?
Well, I think he's making the bench because we don't have another better player than him. That's what I think.
Yeah. अगर left back में अपने पास Grimaldo या Dortmund का left back कौन है? वो बहुत who bombs forward. Even ये someone like a Jamal Lewis रहेगा who's left-sided, left-footed. So maybe he might not make the bench, but he's good to have around the squad.
Jamal Lewis is a backup. Even Liverpool wanted to sign him as a backup. मुझे नहीं लगता, मतलब I can't really compare Williams to Jamal Lewis. Norwich was very poor in their defense. Attack में वो अच्छा रहेगा, defense में I need to really see him to say कि वो he'll trump Williams.
ठीक है, we'll see. मतलब I didn't want to start a discussion about a Norwich player, but ठीक है, I think ये अभी के लिए ठीक position है इसके लिए. Aaron Wan-Bissaka, let's not discuss about this. I think Harry Maguire, let's not discuss about this. The only question is, would you want Harry Maguire as the left centre back where he has played all season, or would you want him to play as a right footer on the right centre back and get a left-footed centre back? I don't know what the obsession is with the left-footed centre back. I think centre backs में ज़्यादा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. अपना रियो फर्डिनांड विडिच वर बोथ राइट फुटेड. उसके पहले क्या था? Jaap Stam, Ronnie Johnson were all both right footed.
Depends on where he prefers to play.
Yeah. जैसे Pogba का भी left position fixed है ना, midfield 3 में he likes to play on the left side.
Correct. नहीं, but मेरा point था कि there is so much talk about a left-footed centre back. I think as a centre back you don't need a left foot. I think you can see the case for a left-footed left back where they are bombing down the wing and they can use the stronger foot to cut back crosses or put a lobbed cross in, or even while defending when they have to block crosses, they block cross with their left foot and not with their wrong foot, which is their right foot, which जो विलियम्स ने लास्ट सेविया के अगेंस्ट सेकंड गोल कंसीड, he couldn't block the cross because he was trying to block the cross with his right foot rather than going in with his left foot. So I can see the case for a left-footed left back, but I don't see the obsession behind a left-footed centre back. I think even if there is a hole in the centre back, it can be a right-footed centre back or a good centre back, regardless of left foot or right foot.
Right. But मुझे पता नहीं, मतलब exactly मुझे exact science समझा नहीं है, but I'm leaning more on what नीरज is saying. ये प्लेयर का प्रेफरेंस है. वो पहले हल सिटी में भी राइट सेंटर बैक खेलता था, लेस्टर में भी राइट सेंटर बैक खेल रहा था. So
okay, for now we'll put him on right centre back. Should Maguire still be the captain? I think bolo.
I think so. He did a pretty good job. It was his first season as well. He had a hefty price tag on his head. Obviously, कोई भी टीम में एक आदमी अकेला कैप्टन रहता है और उसका सब सुनते हैं, ऐसा जमाना चला गया. अभी उसमें 2-3 कैप्टन रहते हैं ऑन द फील्ड. लाइक ब्रूनो अभी आ गया, ही इज मच मोर वोकल. रैशफोर्ड प्रोबब्ली कंपैरेटिवली वोकल है. तो ऐसे 2-3 पर्सनालिटीज पिच पे रहते हैं. करंटली वैसे ही चल रहा है ट्रेंड. तो आई थिंक सिंस Maguire did a decent job in this first season, he will mostly improve next season.
Neeraj, Maguire captain क्या नहीं?
I would prefer making Bruno the captain just because he is more vocal and more involved in all the plays that we make. But it would feel bad to take it away from Maguire after he hasn't done anything wrong, but it's just that somebody better has come in who can do the job better. I feel that.
I exactly echo your sentiments. The fact that Bruno ऐसे कभी-कभी लगता है कि he is literally कॉलर पकड़ के ऐसे चिल्लाएगा किसी पे.
वो सेविया वाला देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी हुआ था. हाँ. लिंडेलॉफ पे जो भड़का ये ब्रूनो वो सेकंड गोल कंसीड करने पर, I was happy seeing that. कोई तो चिल्ला रहा है लिटरली ऑन द पिच, नॉट इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम, कि भाई क्या फालतू डिफेंडिंग था ये.
हाँ, और
टू बी ऑनेस्ट, और एक क्विक पॉइंट अबाउट Maguire का मैंने स्टैट्स देखा. आई कंपेयर्ड हिम टू वैन डाइक. आई अंडरस्टैंड वी कंसीडर्ड मोर गोल्स देन लिवरपूल, बट तू इंटरसेप्शंस, क्लियरेंसेस, पासिंग रेंज, तू सब देखेगा, पासिंग एक्यूरेसी, Maguire did it much better than Van Dijk. Van Dijk को better system था overall. He had a really good fullback supporting him. He had really good midfield supporting him. Statistically देखेगा तो.
I wouldn't go there. मतलब
statistics को तो अगर deny कर रहे हैं तो point क्या है? मतलब midfield पे थोड़ी.
अपन player के ऊपर बाद में discuss करते हैं. पहले first team भर दे.
हाँ. Dalot,
I think squad player.
Not even. I don't think he's gonna stay.
हाँ,
मुझे लगता है he is squad player material, but I don't think the fact that Timothy Fosu Mensah के उसका place लेके गया even as a bench player, I think वो जाने वाला है. And ठीक है गया तो भी थोड़ा at least for once we'll sell a player who has decent value. वरना हम लोग फ्री पे देते हैं और 2 मिलियन 4 मिलियन में बेचेंगे, उससे अच्छा एटलीस्ट विल गेट सम मनी आउट ऑफ दिस. रोहो
sell.
सेल.
जाना ही चाहता है तो.
I want to spend some time talking about Smalling. I actually liked Smalling when he was at United. Under Van Gaal, Mike Smalling was the captain. And मतलब थोड़ा उसका fall from grace. If we want two big headers of the ball, threaten the opponent box, are going to win everything in the air, then he might do a job with Maguire alongside him. But and I don't even think जो बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि he's terrible playing out from the back. I don't think he's that bad. He's not the best, but he's not that bad.
वो लॉन्ग पासेस खेल ही नहीं सकता. नहीं देखा मैंने वैन हाल के अंडर भी उसको और सोल्जर के अंडर. मतलब ही प्रेफर्स अ सिंपलर पासेस व्हिच आई एम फाइन विद अगर मगवायर वो पासेस खेलने वाला है तो. बट पता नहीं मतलब वैसे जो स्मॉलिंग का मैजिक जो मतलब जो भी मतलब थोड़ा अफेक्शन था उसके लिए 1-1.5 सीजन पहले, अभी मतलब ऐसा मेरे केस में तो ऐसे फेड हो गया. ऐसा लगता है कि ओके सेल हिम नाउ दैट ही डिड वेल, get good money for him and get a better player. He took almost 8 years to cement his place, or maybe more, if I'm not wrong, at United. बहुत time लिया develop होने को, and even then he's not a finished product.
I mean, people say that he was the best defender in Serie A, and वहाँ पे वो
And I think he also wants to go and play more in Roma. So if he wants to go there, just let him go.
But I think he wants to go because he doesn't have first team quality. I mean, he doesn't. He's not in Ollie's plan as a first team player or as a starter.
Then that makes more sense for him to go there.
Right.
I think there is an option here to save some money in the market to fill other positions, और एक summer हम लोग ढकल सकते हैं आगे गाड़ी, and still not degrade the quality. But ठीक है, I think if he is going, if Ole doesn't want him in the first team, then ठीक है. Ethan Laird,
squad player
या loan?
I've just seen him once, that too, and I think it was the Europa League. So I don't have much to know about him.
अभी के लिए
मतलब वही अभी फिलहाल स्क्वाड प्लेयर तो जैसे बोला ना, सेव मनी एंड स्पेंड इट समवेयर एल्स. वी हैव एन एकेडमी ग्रेड कमिंग थ्रू.
ठीक है,
चांस दो उसको.
एरिक बाई.
नीरज.
Eric Bailly hasn't really convinced when he's played that he's very consistent with his passing and his tackling. I feel very nervous when he's actually going into a tackle. I wouldn't say that he's a first team quality player.
Happy?
I think if we can get good money for him, maybe sell him. If he's happy to be a squad player, let's keep him.
Tricky है. Eric Bailly physical attributes देखिएगा तो he has everything you need to be the best defender in the world. Quick है, physically strong है, head करता है, he's decent on the ball as well. But उसका concentration मतलब suddenly switch off हो जाता है, positioning नहीं है. मतलब physically he's perfect. Apart from when he's injured, but mentally he's not there. एक मैं सोच रहा था, if this is a rumor about Pau Torres, वो जो Villarreal का एक left-footed center back है, which everyone is raving about. एक है कि एरिक बाई came from Villarreal, I think. If they want him back, हम लोग कुछ swap कर सकते हैं out or as Villarreal.
Let's keep that for some other time.
Squad player or sold?
Squad player for now.
स्क्वाड प्लेयर में डाल दे.
Okay. Phil Jones.
Sell.
Tuanzebe.
Squad player.
Squad player. He can be on the bench. So let's see how he. I want to see him for one full season. How he does.
Fit रहेगा.
वो अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट रहा कि ये सीजन था उसके लिए to partner Maguire. Unfortunately injured हो गया and Lindelof got most of the chances.
Lindelof?
I think he's first team quality.
But first
Not the
team,
first team.
and
Quality,
in the first
quality.
team? Okay.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, first team quality, not first team.
थोड़ा I feel bad for Lindelof. I think थोड़ा और patient रहेगा club if he had things going for him, he could have been in the first 11. I think he still can be.
Yeah, he still can be. He's pretty good.
ये debate है. Should we get Henderson back and have him compete with De Gea, or loan him back again to another newly promoted club and keep De Gea Romero combination, which is sort of worked until De Gea started feeling?
I would say put De Gea in the first team and Henderson as the backup keeper and let Romero go.
But abhi Henderson has played every single minute of Sheffield. वो अगर वापस आएगा तो he would be a second choice. Yeah. And him not getting enough minutes might hamper his growth. Would you want to keep him? Yeah.
No, I would rather have him in the club and challenging for the first team and phase out De Gea that way rather than directly put him into the first team after Sheffield United and then not have De Gea around.
But you're assuming that you want to phase De Gea out. De Gea is 31 years old, which is not old for a keeper. Van der Sar was here till he was 41.
Yeah.
So, phase out, kitna der phase out? Are you thinking of getting rid of De Gea in 6 months, a year, 2 years? Kitna der wo bench pe baithega?
2 years. I think his contract has 2 more years.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो naturally phase out होता है, right? As Neeraj said, Henderson अगर bench पे है, there's pressure on De Gea given the mistakes हम थोड़ा as fans थोड़ा ज़्यादा ये हो गए, उसने बहुत बचाया अपने को, but it would be good added pressure knowing that Henderson had a tremendous season with Sheffield and अभी bench पे बैठा है and he can anytime dislodge De Gea. It's a good challenge for De Gea. और अगर De Gea improve करता है, goes back to his old ways, like the best self that he was. So frankly, I don't even care if we sell Henderson a year after, say, for 50 million, right? Would you guys mind that?
But agar a season after में, so right now his price is at its peak because he has played one full season in the Premier League. He has played one full season in the Championship, and he has been one of the best keepers in both leagues that he has played. Right now his price is at its peak. अगर एक या दो season वो bench पे रहेगा, and if De Gea continues to perform to his expected potential, then 2 साल में उसका value कम हो जाएगा, even if he is still a good keeper.
But that's fine, right? मतलब अभी Romero का भी value जब खरीदा, he could have gone to a good club, like a decent level club, जो suppose Premier League में 6th or 7th है, और probably उसके लिए 25 million मिलता था. अगर De Gea अच्छा कर रहा है, and if he stays another 5-6 years, bonus है अपने लिए तो. Who cares हम 25 million कम कमाए?
How about this? Henderson का अभी price is at its peak. अभी we are looking to replace other positions. मतलब there are other priorities in the squad. We don't need to make wholesale changes in the keeper. How about either loan Henderson out and keep Romero, or sell Henderson with a buyback clause. Let's say 30 million को बेचते हैं, we'll get some cash in hand that we can spend on other transfers with a buyback clause of let's say 40 million. So 30 million में बेच के 40 million का buyback if he does well with at least 1 year term या ऐसे कुछ. If we can get a deal like that in place, would that not help everyone?
But we will lose next generation prospect though.
But buyback clause है अपना. If we have that fixed written buyback clause कि हम लोग 30 million में बेच रहे हैं and we'll buy him at 45 million, and if we can pull the trigger 1 or 2 or 3 seasons after and trigger his buyback clause if we think De Gea needs to be phased at that time. So it's almost like an extended loan, but we are actually getting more money at the time of sale.
I would be okay with that. But realistically,
yeah, very lot of ifs in that.
Yeah.
So vote लेते हैं. You think first team quality अपने को रखना चाहिए इसको?
I think so.
And,
yeah.
Okay. Romero को that effectively means that we are selling him.
Yeah.
Okay. Timothy Fosu-Mensah.
Squad player.
Squad.
Okay. So now I think defense we know who to get rid of. 5 player है. Garner, Levitt हम लोग ने बात नहीं किया. What do you guys think about Garner and Levitt?
Too young to be in the first team. They should challenge for the bench. Are they under 23 or under 21?
Under
23. 21 अभी है ही नहीं.
Oh. Yeah. Well, definitely keep them, not sell them.
नहीं, loan या keep them.
Keep.
I would keep one of them, possibly Garner, and loan Lewitt.
I think so too. Garner is closer to being a squad player right now. So this is our first choice. इसमें फ्रेड मैकटोमिनी फर्स्ट प्रीमियर लीग गेम्स खेलेंगे. इसमें से दोनों एफए कप, कार्लिंग कप या ऐसे कुछ खेलेंगे. एंड देन वन ऑफ गेम्स ऐसे कोई गार्नर शुड एटलीस्ट प्ले 5 to 8 गेम्स ऐसे छोटे लीग कप में पार्टनरिंग विद मैकटोमिनी या ऐसे कुछ. एंड लेविट कैन बी लोन्ड. Are you guys okay with that?
Yeah.
अभी Lingard and Pereira, I think ये what are your thoughts on two players who have spectacularly underperformed this season, who at one point had really good potential. Pereira, before he was given a lot of chances in the first team, बहुत ही I had a lot of hopes from Pereira. Lingard I always thought was a good squad player, but at 27 going into 28, would you want to be a squad player? Would you want to keep him as a squad player?
No.
And plus he's earning somewhere around 100k per week for a squad player.
But so is Mata. यहाँ पे जो रखा है.
Mata experience लाता है और actually quality भी लाता है.
I think Mata
is game खेलेगा.
than Lingard. I wish Lingard had learned something from Mata in all these years.
Exactly. मतलब मैं emotions अगर लाऊंगा इसमें तो I'll keep Lingard as a squad player. उसका family issues जो भी हुआ, I guess he lost his mom. But अगर वो, if I take it out, yeah, I don't think we should keep him.
Do you see potentially अगर Sancho आता है तो his relationship off the pitch with Rashford and Sancho, do you see that blossoming and helping Sancho adapt to the club? And do you think Rashford, Sancho के साथ maybe he can turn things around at United? Because he's I think going into last season he was firmly here. if not here, right? एक सीजन में क्या हुआ ऐसे?
बहुत ही पुअर था, बट हाँ उसके लिए पर्सनल रीजंस थे. I'm a bit torn कि वो स्क्वाड प्लेयर रहेगा कि बेचना पड़ेगा. I'm not even sure उसके लिए बहुत पैसा मिलेगा. He has high wages. उसके वजह से हम लिटरली फ्री के लिए बेचना पड़ेगा so that the new club would be able to make his wage demands.
So एक काम करते हैं. लिनगार्ड को जब भी हम लोग when we'll decide, right? Next episode में when we'll talk about which players to buy and what positions to fill, we can keep Lingard standby पे, ठीक है? If we can get all the players that we want, if the board is capable of getting all the players that we want to fill the right positions, then we can get rid of Lingard. But अगर नहीं करते तो losing Lingard and not filling the team, I think will hurt us.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Pereira, squad player, yeah. उसको कैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया यार?
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया
उसको सोल्जर ने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया. ऐसा भी नहीं कि
एंड ऑफ लास्ट ईयर हुआ ना.
हाँ, अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया.
अभी
जोन्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया व्हेन सोल्जर वाज एट द क्लब. कैसे दिया यार? मतलब रोहो को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया. हाउ कैन यू डू दिस? मतलब
फीफा जैसे ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देते हैं तो तुझे बोनस देना पड़ता है क्या? तो वेस्ट ऑफ मनी था इन लोग के लिए.
पता नहीं यार. ठीक है, आई थिंक we'll park all of these players here. I think the decision is pretty clear on the defenders. We have concluded first team कौन है. अभी in the last 5 minutes we are going to discuss is our first team quality, is this squad sufficient going into next season, or where we need to fill. I think एक तो हम लोग ने स्टार डाल दिया यहाँ पे first team quality. What do you guys think? अभी और क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे? Forward line में apart from a Sancho type of player or a Sancho size player or Sancho, do we need anything here?
अगर इगालो जनवरी में जाने वाला है तो I'm not sure whether we should buy another right winger of obviously not Sancho level, but a backup right winger, because we have been calling out for that position for a long time. या फिर we should buy a different type of striker as like the kind of style Ighalo brings, the physicality. ऐसे वाला. But who can be on the bench? When
we are talking about backups, I want to make a clear distinction. Are you looking for a backup, which Ighalo was a backup? Okay? He does not have a potential 5 years down the line. He was bought in as a backup. Or are you talking about an 18, 19, 20-year-old who has potential to grow, but is okay to sit on the bench right now? So who can make his way from here to here to here over the next 3-4 years? What kind of a backup are you talking about?
An 18, 19-year-old who is ready to be a squad player and then grow into a first-team quality player.
Okay.
As a striker.
Okay. And because अपने पास Ighalo है, right, until January, can this transfer wait till January? अगर अपने को budget है.
Very well.
Let's color code it. So ये हम लोग बोल रहे हैं Blue Star is January में हम लोग fill कर सकते हैं, not immediately needed, and ये अपने को immediately fill करना है, ठीक है? So that concludes the forward line. Midfield में do we need anyone in midfield? अपने को 3 position के लिए 6 मतलब कितने 7 players है on paper.
मुझे sorry नीरज तू go ahead.
नहीं बोल.
मैं बोलने वाला था कि instead of just seeing कि वो midfield में 3 है and then ये I was mainly thinking on the lines ki creative midfielders and then central midfielders and CDMs वैसे देखते हैं. Might be better to look at it that way.
मेरे हिसाब से ऐसे है कि Fred, McTominay, Matic, Pogba can fight out for these 4 places, right? Or can be rotated here. And Bruno के लिए competition चाहिए in this place. And इसीलिए मैं Mata, I was okay अगर to get that player in if we have to let Mata go. If we get someone like a Donny van de Beek or Jack Grealish या ऐसे कोई, so I'm okay to let Mata go to make that wage bill में थोड़ा reduction लाके ये Mata shape का player या first team quality upgrade करके यहाँ पे डाल सकते हैं.
मैं अभी भी थोड़ा अनकन्विंस्ड हूँ सौरभ कि वैन डर बीक बेंच पे बैठने के लिए आने वाला है.
बेंच पे नहीं बैठेगा ना.
किसको डिस्प्लेस करेगा वो?
अभी तू मुझे बोल.
तेरे लाइनअप में सीडीएम रहेगा ही नहीं अगर वैन डर बीक आता है ये लाइनअप में तो.
बट
यू नीड अ सीडीएम.
बट ऐसे मत सोच ना. तू ऐसे सोच के कैसे एग्जांपल दूं मैं. अभी रियाद माहरेज, स्टर्लिंग और बर्नार्डो सिल्वा और फोडेन, राइट? when they had Bernardo Silva and Sane and Sterling, but they still spent 65 million to sign Mahrez because they had depth in first team quality, where Bruno को अगर rest करना है, suppose first five games of the season Bruno is taken off at 60 minutes and you bring in someone else, then
Right.
he gets a break in the 7th game and Donny van de Beek starts. That way, Donny van de Beek can, or whoever, that Jack Grealish or Donny van de Beek can still play 25-30 games in rotation with this player, right? And they can fill other positions as well. Maybe Grealish इसलिए थोड़ा tempting था मेरे हिसाब से because he can fill in this position, he can fill in this position, maybe he can fill in this position, maybe he can fill in this position. So
completely understand. मुझे logic समझा. The thing is पेप खाना खा रहा है. But अरे मेरा लॉजिक मतलब the way I'm thinking is that Van der Beek already बड़े क्लब से linked है. We are not the only club in for him. And I don't want to fixate on the name. I do agree first team quality में depth add करो. But वो रहना चाहिए. There should be competition. Yeah.
That's all we are discussing here. We are not discussing name. I'm saying Donny van de Beek or Grealish type of a player, not that.
Right.
ठीक है.
Yeah, as we said, we'll come to it. वो options क्या है देखेंगे आगे अगले episode में.
So apart from this और कुछ ये चाहिए. How do I put this? ऐसे करता हूँ मैं. इसमें ये दोनों
इसको नीचे ला.
इसको यहाँ पे डालता हूँ so that we are differentiating between midfielders and attacking midfielders. ठीक है. Agree with this? अरे नीरज चलेगा तो क्या खा रहा है वो दिखा बाकी लोग को तो चलेगा.
Pep Enzonzi.
हाँ
ये तो नो ब्रेनर है यहाँ पे. अभी गेपिंग होल दिख रहा है तो.
Right. To be very frank, like this is like throwing away the chess pieces, but I would still be okay to continue with Maguire and Lindelof. I should have said this earlier. Shaw के लिए upgrade चाहिए अपने पास. I still don't think मतलब वो कुछ क्रॉसिंग करता है, अटैकिंग रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं कंपेयर्ड टू सम ऑफ द टॉप टीम्स. हमारे पास अपने फुल बैक्स बहुत ही है ऐसे मतलब who don't contribute a whole lot to the attack. असिस्ट हार्डली कुछ देता है कोई, गोल हार्डली कोई मारा है वो मेरा
which exactly reflects here, right? यहाँ पे जो तू बोल रहा है कि अपने पास फर्स्ट टीम क्वालिटी सेंटर बैक है who can fill here, but first team right back या left back है ही नहीं. If Aaron Wan-Bissaka or Shaw get injured, the drop off from Shaw to Williams is significant, and the drop from Wan-Bissaka to Fosu-Mensah is even bigger. So there is a need for that one player. So that's why we need someone who can play here. Okay, I get your point, but
Right.
so it's not an either or. You
It
can
is
say
both.
it is both, right?
Yeah,
So you
yeah.
need.
हम Shaw discuss ही नहीं किया actually. Shaw
Correct.
सीधा लाया. I don't think we spoke about it.
So we can still. Neeraj, do you want to put Shaw here and put a star here?
Yeah.
Neeraj, video on करना चलेगा.
I think we can get a better left back than Shaw.
तो कोई भी टॉप टीम का ट्रेड्स देख, फुल बैक्स स्ट्रेच करता है पिच को, दे मेक इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर द अपोनेंट टू डिफेंड, और ज्यादा पेनिट्रेट कर पाता है तू, तेरे ऐसे अपने जो पेसी प्लेयर्स है उनको जगह देता है, रूम बनाता है, which Shaw doesn't do at all. Like very rarely he does that. He's defending very well. This season he was good, but attack में returns were very disappointing. And I would want my left back to do that.
Yeah, need a fullback who can actually drive with the ball forward.
So
और rarely करता.
So we know that एकदम starting lineup वाला मतलब left back is going to be expensive. Are you okay with assuming Shaw is the first choice, but get someone who is equally good or and young who is maybe in the first team quality who can rotate with Shaw यहाँ पे, and then maybe Brandon Williams can rotate with Wan-Bissaka and can fill in at both places. जैसे John O'Shea करता था left back, right back, center, मतलब used to play across different positions वैसे.
I'd be okay with that.
Yeah, if we, I think Shaw is pretty expensive, so if a replacement would have to be a world class, top level left back.
Right.
Okay.
Put Shaw on the bench.
So I think in conclusion, एक right winger first choice चाहिए, एक center back definitely चाहिए. I don't care left foot, right foot, but center back चाहिए. एक attacking midfielder first team quality चाहिए who can rotate with other players, and maybe January में एक और एक striker चाहिए to replace Igalo.
Yeah.
And out of all of these positions, अगर एक position तुमको compromise करना है, तो what would that be? And there are I can think of two compromises. Either get rid of this star and retain this player. That is one compromise. And if we are short of funds, then we can rotate here with Lingard, or get rid of this star, right? And maybe get Smalling to play that role, or Smalling to be here and get Lindelof to play that role. Yeah, ऐसे कुछ. So there are 2 or 3 potential compromises, and we'll discuss that when we discuss apna budgets and how we are going to manage budgets and what are. So what we'll go into the next podcast looking for primarily 4 positions to fill, right? A first choice right back, a first choice right wing, a first choice center back, a first team attacking midfielder, and a first team left back, and then we can make these negotiations. एक assume करते, we'll put a dollar number के इतना budget है हमारे पास, and we'll try to simulate this. ठीक है? Are you guys happy with this?
Yeah.
All right. Neeraj, closing comments.
All right.
क्या खा रहे हो?
Fish and rice.
Nice.
Okay. Big fish in a small mouth. Sorry.
So, wait, can you stop sharing your screen?
Oh, yes.
So, if you've made it this far in the video, congratulations. This is the end of our rambling. We are 3 very passionate Man United fans, and please like, this video if you found any value in it, and please subscribe to see more of it.
Even if you did not see any value in it, you're free to like and subscribe. Write Binod in the comments.
Like, share,
Tell
subscribe.
us what you liked in the comments below. All right.